Hi. Um, we're going to start a YouTube channel, so I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Gary. We live down here in Florida. Obviously, you can tell by the tank top because it's still January down here. Well, I guess it's going to be 1st of February tomorrow. Um, this channel is all about junk to gems. Basically, I find crap that people throw away and I take it and I turn it into something cool or usable. Um, a prime example is my air tanks here. These were two old air compressors that didn't work anymore. Somebody was throwing them away. As you can still see, there's still a compressor head on one of them that I haven't taken off yet. But basically, I welded them together and use my little small compressor, and it provides all the air that I need out here for spraying, sandblasting, whatever. This is an old 54 tractor that we found up in Old Town. Still runs like a champ. We drive it every single day. It takes care of the property out here. And you'll give me a second here, we'll walk around and I'll show you a couple little things over here that kind of other stuff that we do. Another thing that we're working on here, one of our projects that you'll see in the future, this is a 30-foot triple pontoon that we found. It basically had nothing on it. It was basically just a trailer and a pontoon. We were planning on turning this into a houseboat. I don't know if our camera person here can stand over here and see our little motor home, but we'll get to that later. Anyway, this is what we're planning on living on the river. Not really living on the river, but this is our home away from home on the river on the weekends when we get it finished. So anyway, this is another little thing over here. That's just showing you basically how I turn junk into gems. So this little thing right here, some junk we found on the side of the road. There's an old four-wheeler. As you can see, the back half of the four-wheeler's there, and the front half's there. And we found a go-kart on the side of the road, so we picked him up. Bought an engine off Amazon, and bought some steering, some shocks off Amazon, and we made a really cool little toy out of it over on a weekend. So just trying to show you a little bit about some of the things that that we can do and that you can do as well. So if you ever need any questions, or have any questions, or need to know something, give us a holler, man. And be sure to like and subscribe so that we can I can bring more of this to you. And look forward to showing you the houseboat in progress and more of this kind of thing when I finish the steering on it. So thank you, and again, like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.